Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to use Asana for project management. This is a very easy tutorial and all you have to do is to create your account in Asana in order for you to do this project here. Okay, so this is what Asana looks like. To start, all you have to do is simply create a project. Click this plus icon here, tap blank project, and then type your project name here. For example, Channel Chronicles. Okay, it's up to you if you want it public or private. And then task. Now you can select a layout for you here. List, board, timeline, calendar. Everything is up to you, but I'm going to tap list and then open project. So this is your project, Channel Chronicles. This is served as your Asana project management. To start, of course, you need tasking. Okay, for example, we have here tasking one, channel concept development, that is the tasking one, content strategy two, branding and visual identity, and number four, video production. So these are your tasking. And then in order for you to, assign this tasking, you just have to simply click this one, but we will do that later on. So if you're going to tap home, you can see everything here. The task completed, collaborators. Okay, you can see it here. Customize home, complete your profile, continue setting up your project. Everything is here. Also, you can see here upcoming task, your task rather, overdue task, and completed task. Now, besides, you can see here project. If you want to create new project, tap this one. Now here you can see the tasks that you have assigned, upcoming, like your overdue and completed. And you can see here goals and the people here. You can even invite someone. All you have to do is just simply type his or her email address and then click this invite and then send. Then later you can see that person's email address will pop up right here. Okay, so now let's go to my task. You can see here your task. Okay, but I haven't assigned any task for myself. Messages, you can see it right here. Also for reporting, see teamwork from every angle, portfolios, get the big picture of portfolios, and goals. Now you can set a goal in order for your team to know what is really the vision or what is this project all about. Okay, so it's very important to have goals so that it can encourage and motivate your team members and you also to pursue your project and finish your project. So this is your goal. This is an example. Reach 10,000 subscribers and 100 total views. Okay, within the first 6 months. Okay, so set as is your goal, and this is a very perfect goal. Now let's go on to assigning your task. First, let's see the overview. Okay, the board layout. Okay, actually, the advantage of using board layout, you can simply drag your task anywhere here. For example, okay, let's just say I'm going to add some section here to do, doing, and done. If you want this channel concept development to move to do, content strategy to doing, and then for branding to done, and video production to, another section here, then you can do that. Or you can simply put it back together. So that's how amazing this board here. Also for timeline, this is very clear. I mean, the timeline itself is very clear. Calendar, dashboard, and then more if you want to explore. Okay, anyways, let's go back to our main layout, which is the list. Okay, now here in order to assign this task, you just have to click this one. And then on the left side, above here is a task, assignee. You can tap the email address of your team member, due date, set a date of when they're going to submit or finish this tasking. Okay, you can add notes or you can add something to the project. Let's just say make it a little bit fast or realistic, something like that. Or look for at least something, or look for something, or look for at least five samples, something like that. Description, you can add anything here. For example, description for branding and visual identity, design a visually appealing channel, create a consistent identity by selecting so on and so forth. Okay, you can just simply edit this to bold, italic, underline, and the best thing is here. You can add link in order for them to watch your instruction or this description. Or you can simply record everything if you are tired of typing the description, or if you're tired of typing instructions here, well, you can simply record or screen record everything and explain it to them. I think this would be easier than typing it because your teammate can probably see what's going on here. You just have to explain that. Okay. And then once you're done with screen recording, you can simply tap the stop sharing. And then also after you click the stop sharing, you can add title to this. Okay, for example, this screen record is all about this, or you can simply say watch and learn. And then after that, you can click add video and it will automatically appear the video here. Then your teammate or the assignee can watch this screen record video. Okay, or even other teammates if they want. So that's how amazing Asana is. So everything is here. No need to search, no need to do, no need to attach, no need to drag something. Okay, everything is here. So they can watch this or the assignee can watch this. Now you can also add, please leave a feedback and you know, mention the person or the assignee so that he or she can see this one, or it will pop up to his or her email that there is something assigned to her. And then mark as complete if this task has completed. Okay, once done, you can explore again to your channel. Okay, or you can go to home. You can see everything here. Okay, review. You can see all the projects here. Okay, and then yes, if you want to do the same thing, if you want to assign another task, then you can do the same what I did earlier. Okay, so assign this to any of your teammates here. Due date, set a time of when they're going to submit or pass this one, and then add description, and then add subtask if you want, and then leave a comment down below. So this is a basic tutorial on how to use Asana for project management. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.